One UI 8.5 and Galaxy S26. Samsung's biggest AI upgrade ever. What's up, tech fam? If you thought 2025 was big for Samsung, buckle up, buttercups, because 2026 is about to drop a nuclear upgrade. We're talking One UI 8.5, the Galaxy S26, and enough AI power to make your head spin. Forget everything you thought you knew about software updates and smartphone launches. Samsung is not just releasing a new phone, they're unleashing a whole new ecosystem. And I've got the inside scoop, the timelines, the features, everything you need to know before Unpacked. First things first, mark your calendars. The Galaxy Unpacked event is officially set for February 25th, 2026. That's when the Galaxy S26 series will make its grand debut. And more importantly for many of us, it's when One UI 8.5 will finally break cover. This isn't just a point update, this is a paradigm shift. Now, for you hardcore Samsung fans who live and breathe beta programs, you know the drill. The One UI 8.5 beta program kicked off way back in December 2025 for our S25 users. We've seen Beta 3, and right now, Beta 4, build ZZB3, is in the final stages of testing. This means Samsung is dotting every I and crossing every T to ensure a smooth launch. They are ironing out those last few kinks before the big day. But here's the kicker. While Samsung is internally testing the stable version, you heard me, stable version build CZB3 for US models, don't expect it to land on your current device before the S26 launch. Samsung wants that new phone shine to be absolutely exclusive for a hot minute. Smart move, Samsung. Smart move. All right, enough about dates and betas. Let's talk about the juice. What makes One UI 8.5 so special? Prepare yourselves. Number 1, a refined interface and butter-smooth transition effects. We're talking next-level polish. Every swipe, every tap, every animation is going to feel more fluid, more intuitive. It's like they upgraded the entire operating system's flow. But where things get truly futuristic is with expanded Galaxy AI capabilities. We saw a taste of what AI could do in One UI 7.1, but 8.5 is taking it to another dimension. Think smarter suggestions, more predictive actions, and AI truly integrating into every aspect of your phone experience. And speaking of fluidity, prepare for some seriously enhanced user experience with brand new animations. These aren't just cosmetic, they make interacting with your phone feel more responsive and engaging. It's the little things that add up to a premium experience. Now, let's talk about the crown jewels, the devices themselves, the Galaxy S26 series. This is where hardware meets software in a symphony of innovation. Get ready for exclusive features like privacy display. Imagine being on a train or in a cafe, and only you can clearly see your screen. Anyone trying to snoop from the side? Nope, just a blurred mess. This is a game changer for security and privacy. And for all you photographers out there, prepare for improved night photography. We're talking hardware-based enhancements here, folks. This isn't just software magic. It's a fundamental upgrade to the camera system that will capture incredible detail and light even in the darkest environments. Sorry, older models, this one's for the S26 Elite. But here is the feature that sent shivers down my spine, the introduction of EdgeFusion. This isn't just some AI feature. EdgeFusion is a lightning-fast AI image generation system, and get this, it's powered by Samsung's very own Exynos 2600 chip. Forget cloud processing delays. EdgeFusion means you can generate stunning images directly on your device in real time with incredible speed. We're talking desktop-level AI image generation in your pocket. The creative possibilities are endless.
So there you have it, folks. One UI 8.5 and the Galaxy S26 series are not just incremental updates. They represent a massive leap forward in mobile technology. Privacy, photography, and on-device AI generation, Samsung is setting the bar impossibly high for 2026.
What feature has you most hyped? Is it the privacy display, the improved nightography, or are you, like me, absolutely blown away by the potential of EdgeFusion? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the Unpacked action.